Welcome back, friends. Thank you so much for tuning in. Today it's a short but cozy video. I love these broccoli patties and I will like to share with you the quick, easy recipe so you can try them at home. I also want to share with you what I got from Hobby Lobby, and you know how much I love decor. So without further ado, come along and let's cook and decorate. This recipe is so delicious, so cheesy, and so easy to make that it can be for lunch, dinner, and is a fun way to incorporate veggies for your family. I usually make these and with the side of white rice, or I even make them with the side of spaghetti for my son, and he loves them. And I hope you enjoy it, friends, so much. This is so also very filling, so your family will really love this amazing meal. For so long, I've had my eye on this wicker tray, and when I saw that they had 40% off from Hobby Lobby, the Spring Shop collection, I did not hesitate to grab it. I love it and I can use it year round for the holidays, spring, especially for spring and summer. And I just think it's a big statement piece that we can use anywhere around our place. This bowl is from Ross, and as you can see, the price was good. Do not miss out on Ross. Look for clearance. And also, friends, I can use this bowl year round as well. This little kitchen towel, I've had it for years, and I just love the little tassels at the end. For those of you that really like neutral decor, this is a big statement piece and you can add to your decorations to make your home look so much more cozier without adding so much decor. And of course, my vase with my Amazon florals that I mentioned in a video before. They are so pretty and so fluffy, and this just makes the whole look come together. This is one of my favorite snacks, so easy and so healthy. Lately, I've been watching more what I eat, not necessarily being in a diet, but just make more healthier choices. And this almond butter tastes so delicious and with fruit, very refreshing, especially for those hot summer, spring days. Your kids want something refreshing to eat. This is a great example that you can give them. I hope you like this video, friends. Thank you so much for spending some time with me, for your lovely comments. I see you in my next video.